guys, on today's video I'm going to be filming an eyebrow routine. So first we're going to start with a brow pencil. The brow pencil I like using is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and I use the shade Ebony. So what I like to start to do first is just spoolie out my eyebrows and make sure there's no hairs in random places. So now that that's done, I go in with the other side, and it's a really small like micro tip, and I like that about it. And I just trace out the bottom of my eyebrow. I start very lightly in the front and then go harder on the back, on the tail of my brow, because it gives a nice ombre effect. So now I do the same thing on the other side, and I just underline the brow. You gotta make sure they're also level, which is one of the hardest parts of brows. So now we go back to the other side and do the top of the brow, and you don't fill in anything quite yet. Right now we're just outlining. So you just bring it down and connect it with the tail from the bottom. And now this is the fun part, and we just kind of sparsely fill in our hairs with the Brow Wiz, mainly focusing on the end of the tail. And then you go on with the other side, the spoolie side, and you just blend everything out. And what I like to do is do the front part and push it upward, the hairs upward. And then right here, I kind of blend it towards the area that we just did. And that just helps give you that nice gradient effect. And then I just go back through and touch up any areas that did not get covered as well. So the next product I use is this brow pomade. Well, it's called Eyebrow Gel by Second Love in the shade Soft Brown. It's just a dupe for Anastasia Beverly Hills, their brow pomade, dip brow. So I just go in with the EcoTool slanted brush, and I just kind of do that in the same area that we darkened out the outside. And next we spoolie through them again just to make sure everything is blended out. Okay, so the most important part of brows is cleaning them up. Right now they're kind of messy looking, and just, I mean, they're all right, but when you clean them up, that's what makes them amazing and makes them look like Instagram eyebrows. So I'm using the Santee concealer and foundation in the shade Fawn, and I'm going in with my Luxie 221T brush, and I'm just gonna carve out my brows. And now we're gonna go towards the front, but you're gonna go really light-handed. When you carve out your brows, this gives you like the ultimate shape that you want your eyebrows to finish and end looking like. And now I'm gonna do the top and do the same thing. And then we go in with our beauty blender, and I like to just blend all that concealer out so it kind of just meshes in with my skin. And now we go back in with our brow wiz because you can see this one's more arched than this one. So we're gonna try to fix that. Okay, now they're looking like sisters, but not twins. Okay, and then we're gonna go back in with the Eco Tools brush into the Second Love brow pomade, and we're gonna just fill in that area. And now they're looking pretty similar. Okay, so this next step is kind of unnecessary unless you have this product, but I have the Wonder Brow, and this is supposedly supposed to keep your eyebrows on for 2 days without washing them. Like, it doesn't come off with water, which it does come off with my Neutrogena makeup wipes, but anyways, this is a really good product and it helps your eyebrows look snatched. This is like the secret right here. So the brush tip applicator is so strange. It looks like this. It's just very odd because who uses a brush for, like, this is literally like a lip gloss brush. Who uses that for their eyebrows? No one. But I like to go in with my Wet n Wild eyebrow brush. It's obviously super dirty because I use it all the time with this product. But yeah, I kind of just do this on the tail end of my brows and it keeps my eyebrows in place all day long. So I'm doing this in the same area that I did the pomade. Oh, and the shade that I have in this, I'm pretty sure is, yeah, black brown. So now that that's done, I'm gonna clean up my eyebrows one last time to give it that final extra oomph.
That's good.
So I'd probably call these complete, but the only thing we have left is blending this out with a beauty blender. Okay, so now that that's done, I would definitely say that the look is complete. Voila, here it is. Here's eyebrows that are almost Instagram baddie, but not all the way. Yeah, so if you like this, I might do another one if my eyebrow routine changes, but it hasn't for like a year now. So yeah, thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed. Bye. Thanks.